Disney's Castaway director charged in Bahamian court. What we know so far. A senior manager overseeing Disney Cruise Line's private island in the Bahamas has been charged with serious sexual assault offenses, sparking international headlines and legal scrutiny across multiple jurisdictions. The allegations. Authorities in the Bahamas have charged Gursel Sahibas, 65, a British national who served as director of Disney's Castaway, with rape and indecent assault following a complaint by a 29-year-old American woman. The alleged incident occurred on or near one of the island's beaches, a part of the exclusive destination used by Disney Cruise Line guests, when the two were reportedly swimming. According to the complaint, the woman asked him multiple times to stop his actions, but the assault allegedly continued. After returning to Florida following her cruise, the woman filed a formal report with Bahamian authorities, who opened an investigation under the Royal Bahamas Police Force. Sahibas was later arrested on Great Abaco, an island near Castaway Cay, and transported to Nassau to face charges. Court proceedings and bail. Sahibas appeared before a court in Nassau, where prosecutors charged him with rape and indecent assault. He pleaded not guilty and was granted $15,000 USD cash bail on the condition that he have no contact with the alleged victim. His attorney successfully requested permission for him to return temporarily to Liverpool, United Kingdom, while awaiting trial. The court scheduled the next hearing for January 21, 2026. Following the charges, Disney Cruise Line confirmed that Sahibas was no longer employed by the company. The company has not released further details, citing the ongoing legal process, Bahamian law and jurisdiction. Because Castaway Cay lies within Bahamian territory, the matter falls under the jurisdiction of Bahamian criminal law, not U.S. federal or state law. Under the Bahamas Sexual Offenses and Domestic Violence Act, Chapter 99, rape is a serious indictable offense punishable by life imprisonment, depending on the circumstances and severity. Indecent assault is a related but separate charge covering unwanted or inappropriate contact. Bahamian courts have discretion on bail conditions and typically require defendants facing serious charges to appear in person at future hearings. Failure to do so could trigger a forfeiture of bail and an international warrant for arrest. Castaway Cay is a private island in the Bahamas, leased long-term by Disney Cruise Line. The island functions as an exclusive port of call for Disney's cruise guests and includes beaches, recreation facilities, and staff accommodations. Although operated by Disney, the island remains under Bahamian sovereignty, meaning all criminal matters fall under Bahamian investigation and prosecution. Disney Cruise Line maintains its own internal security and guest services team, which typically coordinates with Bahamian authorities when incidents occur. Disney Cruise Line has not issued a detailed statement about this case, but company policy historically emphasizes zero tolerance for misconduct of this kind and pledges full cooperation with law enforcement. Industry-wide sexual assault allegations on cruise ships or private islands are handled under the jurisdiction of the nation where the event occurs, which can complicate investigation and prosecution due to overlapping international and maritime laws. Guest safety advocates have often called for more transparency and reporting standards in cruise operations. While Disney is generally viewed as having one of the industry's strongest reputations for safety, the case underscores how serious incidents can occur even within tightly managed environments. For Disney, the case introduces both reputational and operational risks. The company may review staff supervision procedures, island security protocols, and how guest complaints are managed across its cruise network. For travelers, the incident highlights the importance of understanding that private islands are not exempt from local laws, and that crimes committed there are prosecuted by the host nation's justice system, not by U.S. courts or the cruise line itself. Observers note that the Bahamian government's willingness to move quickly on the charges indicates both a seriousness about foreign guest protection and a continued partnership with cruise lines on safety enforcement. The next step in the case is the scheduled court hearing in Nassau on January 21, 2026, where prosecutors are expected to outline evidence and witness testimony. The outcome could depend on travel compliance by the defendant, forensic findings, and cooperation between Bahamian and international legal authorities. Until then, the case remains open. And for now, it serves as a reminder that even in the world's most idyllic vacation spots, accountability follows jurisdiction, and justice extends beyond borders. For more Disney Objective observations, please like and subscribe. We appreciate all comments.